Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hack Arc Motion in Principle for Mac. And I'm going to give you the example of Arc Motion from Material Design Guidelines, something like this. As you can see, the object is moving along the curve or an arc. And in principle, by default, there's no such thing as animation along the path or along the curve, like you would do in After Effects or Framer. And today I'm going to show you a quick technique to mimic this kind of motion. So let's jump into Principle, create the rectangle. I'm going to put it to the bottom left corner. And I'm going to create the transition by tapping. Here we go. So let's move the object in the second artboard, something like this, and check the animation we got. Hey, and by default, the object is moving linearly, and this is not what we want. So let's mimic the arc motion. And this object is moving along the straight line because the speed along the x and y axis is exactly the same. So if we, let's say, change the x to is in curve and y to is out animation curve, then we already have an arc motion. Here we go, and I'm gonna slow down the animation so you can see it a little bit better. Yeah, something like this. And what you can do next is to customize the steepness or trajectory of this movement. To do that, we're gonna play around with the curve, and if you make the curves more exaggerated, something like this and like this, you're gonna receive a steeper trajectory. Also, what you can do is change the values above 1 and below 0, something like this, and you're gonna get some funky trajectories. I encourage you to play around with these settings, with different curves, and experiment. I think there's no scientific method of getting the exactly what you want, but this is basically the whole technique. And if you have any ideas or any questions around Principle, please write them down in the comments. And this is pretty much it. If you liked the video, please press like and subscribe. And thank you.